Hi, everyone. We are live. It is our market update. As you know, every Monday and Friday at 4 o'clock. If you don't know, if you just kind of stumble on here, please subscribe. Be aware. Go on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Periscope, all those different platforms. You're going to find us there. Thank you. My name is Vinnie, and this guy over here,
Erik, how's it going?
his name's above too. Take a look. Okay. So the fun, let's just jump into the fun. Question time. This is your chance to win some money. $50. Now, here's the question for last week to give you kind of an idea of how it's done. How much of the most expensive detached property sell in Vista so far this year? Do you have a guess, Erik?
I didn't guess this one, right? It was a different one?
Yes.
Okay, because I wasn't here last week. Detached in Vista 2022. Okay, let's go for
What's your guess?
most expensive?
Most expensive.
2.3 million.
Oh, you should have stick with your first one. 1.880.
I love these games, but don't listen. Don't listen to me. I'm good at loans.
All right, now we're gonna go the opposite direction. How much did the least expensive detached property sell in Del Mar so far this year? Least.
1.2 million.
1.2 million. All right. Well, text below. There's my number. There's Erik's number. Text one of us for your chance to win $50. All right. And as you guys know, I'm just gonna have the clicker going below. Nothing drastically has changed. And let's get into the exciting thing. Let's talk about rates. How are rates looking?
Oh, Vinnie, please let them get better. We're looking at right now, huh?
We got good news?
No, we have bad news.
Oh gosh, all right. What's the news?
Unfortunately, we're starting to catch near 5% on perfect scenarios. Like we're talking 760 FICO, 15% down, owner occupied purchases. We're very close to touching 5%. Second homes investment properties are at 6% or very close to. So we've seen interest rates go up roughly about 1% just over the past 30 days.
Man. And
so
where do you think rates are going to be going?
I think they're going to be 6% this year. I do. Have you seen anything go on with, let's say, your buyers in regards to affordability or it affecting, let's say, their ability to purchase certain amounts?
I mean, as you guys are watching the clicker below, you can see not a lot has changed with inventory going up. Inventory is so drastically low that people that are looking to purchase are still pushing forward and buying. Median home price has kind of still trickled up. List to sold is sitting strong at 104 list to sold. So if a property is listed for 100,000, which in the San Diego market is not happening, it's selling at 104,000. So that list to sold has been kind of slowly trickling up. Now, the tough part about it is there are still ways to get your offer accepted. I mean, it's knowing what the price that you're going to have to put it at to get accepted. And a couple of years ago, it was like, okay, here's what it's listed at. I'm going to offer at what it's listed at. It's pretty straightforward. Now it's trying to talk to the listing side, figuring out where they sit with offers, what their sellers looking to accomplish with this listing. Is it shorter escrow, longer escrow, shorter time frames, simply higher price, rent back, whatever it might be. And you could probably guess not all realtors are doing that. That's why this crazy statistics right here is kind of going on. You're talking about 22,000 people have access to the MLS, other realtors outside of San Diego, and then 10,000 realtors in San Diego. Now, out of that 10,000 realtors that are in San Diego, not all of them are selling business, right? Closing business. So out of this, right, 33% of all realtors that have access to MLS are active. So that means 67% are inactive. And out of San Diego-based realtors, you're talking about 59 are active and 41% are inactive. So you're talking about half, basically half realtors are inactive in San Diego
They're
County.
doing nothing.
Doing nothing. So it's make sure that you're getting the right information, the right knowledge. I mean, what do you tell your clients, Erik, to sweeten your offers?
I do a lot of things. So first and foremost, I piggyback on your guys' offer. So right when you guys make an offer, I specifically ask whoever I'm working with to attach me on that offer. That way I can call as a lender and explain what I've already done for the borrower to ensure that it's going to be a smooth loan process. That's important. I also look at the listing and I'll look at the pictures and I'll try to connect with that listing agent some way, shape, or form with how the property is. So for example, I had one recently in Lakeside, and I'm a desert rat. I love the desert. I ride bikes, and they had one of the buggies in a garage. So I texted the agent. I said, "Hey, you know that buggy's got to stay with the listing, right? With my client's accepted offer," and they really liked that. They got a kick out of it, and we got the offer accepted. I texted them at 9:30 at night, Vinnie. 9:30.
Oh, please don't text me at 9:30 at night.
That's what I'm doing.
No, well, and you got to look at that. You're getting, I mean, you're getting multiple offers for the most part. Now, it might not be as crazy as it might have been a couple months ago, but you're still getting, a good amount of multiple offers on the property. So sometimes you have two offers that are pretty similar, or three offers that are pretty similar in price, and now it's on the realtor, the lender, to push it over the top, right? It's like, okay, well, go ahead, sorry.
And it's important what you guys do too. I mean, there's agents out there that just don't present an offer well. And what I find is those buyers are shopping for homes a lot longer than, let's say, somebody like you that knows the market, makes an offer that's competitive right off the bat, and, really kind of lays out the spectrum for the selling agent, right?
And if people watching have seen this, seen Erik on the market update, San Diego market update before, you'll know that he doesn't only work in California; he works all over the United States. I mean, I know I asked this question before to you, Erik. Is there a community out there that is a little bit softer than maybe San Diego?
Softer, just they do work differently in other states. They're not as aggressive as they are here.
No, I mean, your offer is getting accepted. Like your turnaround time for someone getting approved to actually under contract is a lot lower.
Same across the board. Yeah, and what I've noticed too is that appreciation levels across the country kind of reflect too what's going on here. So everybody thinks the values have increased so much here, but if you think about it in a percentage perspective, it's the same everywhere. It's the same in Florida. It's the same in Texas. It's the same in Georgia sometimes. Everywhere.
Well, is there any programs, when we'll finish it off with any programs that you think that the listeners would want to know about? You guys offer?
I would say that, there's a whole suite of products. We offer everything, and we do self-employed bank statement home loans, debt service coverage ratio home loans, so investment property stuff, which is no income. So we do all the unique programs, and for regular stuff like conventional VA, USDA, FHA, that's stuff I can do with my eyes closed. So I enjoy a challenge personally myself.
And people ask, oh, well, what about foreclosures, REOs, things like that? I mean, if you're just curious to see what's out there, go on HUD Home Store. HUD Home Store, Google it. It's an REO platform, and you'll see there's not many properties on that platform. There's not a lot of properties that are currently even foreclosed on at this time. But you can take a look for yourself. Mind you, if you do find something on HUD Home Store, you need a realtor that's approved by the platform to actually bid on those properties. But you're not bidding against basically investors on there. Yeah, exactly. There you go. You can reach out to me, and I can definitely help you out with that. So don't worry about that. We got you taken care of. We're going to help you out. And, hey, get you to where you want to get to. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe. Please share. Go find myself or Erik's information. If you have any kind of questions, we're here to help. Bye, guys.